How different are the Trump and Clinton plans? They're as different as night and day. So what does the Trump health plan look like? There really isn't much there. The primary provision of the plan is to repeal Obamacare. I suspect that what we'll see, if there is a President Trump and he is successful in getting his proposal passed, is that we'll roll back the clock to about 2007, 2008, before we had the Affordable Care Act. We'll have 50 to 55 million uninsured Americans, and some people will have access to more affordable insurance because we'll stop regulating insurance as much as we do under the ACA. But we'll have many, many, many more people who are uninsured. The biggest problem is that it throws people under the bus. It means that we're going to go back to the pre-Obamacare age, and millions of people are going to lose their health insurance. It's no longer going to be affordable. Her proposal you can view as Obamacare 2.0. So the Clinton health plan builds on the foundation of the Affordable Care Act and says, what do we need to do now to further reduce the number of uninsured? The plan would create a public option in the exchanges, and this seems like it's an important option given that in 2017 a number of commercial insurance companies have announced that they're not going to participate in a number of state exchanges, reducing the availability of commercial insurance under Obamacare. Her plan also calls for an expansion of Medicare to people in the 55 to 64 age group, and this is a group that's still vulnerable. The cost of insurance is still quite high. So the Clinton proposal also would include protections for out-of-pocket spending on prescription drugs. And this is something that I think a lot of people have recognized with the high cost of many new prescriptions. The biggest problem with the Clinton plan is that it's not so much the substance, it's how do you get there from here? It presupposes that there's going to be enough Democrats in both houses of Congress to pass these important changes. So what is the future of Obamacare under the Trump and Clinton plans? Under President Trump, Obamacare is gone. He's calling for its repeal, and there really is no replacement. Under President Clinton, she would build on this foundation and make further expansions to bring more people into the roles of the insured.